Across Africa, smallholder farmers supply products into local and international markets. They grow a majority of the food consumed in Africa and produce export crops such as tea, coffee, cashews, and cocoa. But most smallholder farmers lack access to resources to improve their productivity and incomes. The agribusinesses that AgDevCo invests in want to secure their supply chains, but often perceive working with smallholder farmers as too risky or too costly. As a long-term investor with over 50 investments across the African continent, AgDevCo is well placed to help connect agribusinesses and smallholder farmers in ways that deliver benefits for all involved. We provide long-term flexible capital to growing agribusinesses, and we can mobilize soft funding to support technical assistance programs, including on how to best design and scale up outgrower schemes. Through our Smallholder Development Unit, under a 5-year program supported by the Mastercard Foundation and the UK government, we have helped agribusinesses engage smallholders more effectively as suppliers and customers. This work will be continued through AgDevCo's Technical Assistance Facility, which shares best practice and other lessons learned from over a decade of investing in Africa. We have invested in commercial agribusinesses in East, Southern, and West Africa that have linked hundreds of thousands of farmers to markets, of whom 37% are women. In northern Uganda, we have provided working capital to the Gulu Agricultural Development Company, GADC. They are in a region that experienced a violent civil war.
The farmers had lost their homes and they had lost their animals as well as their savings.
GADC is revitalizing the region's economy, buying organic cotton, sesame and chilies from 30,000 smallholder producers, half of whom have received organic certification. We have helped increase farmers' access to finance and improve their farming skills.
Through the support of AgDevCo, farmers were trained in good agronomic practices using video-based trainings, which benefited a lot of female farmers in our network.
And I know keyboard guide for Magiang Miangi, no young John, what you are my child care, Mano Pamane Bion now. Could be the one Pierre line, could be the Pama Gagne. And could be the I will have bien, I will that take a plan, me yapogero, me yapodokan, me now cachata.
In Malawi, we have invested in Jacoma, the country's first fully irrigated macadamia farm and nursery. They also purchase paprika and chilies from more than 5,000 farmers. We have helped them digitalize operations to capture data on productivity, sales, and farmer training.
It's increased transparency and trust all around, allowing farmers to access finance based on proof of sales. It helps with traceability for export markets and makes it easy for us to identify our best performing producers.
In Ghana, our partner Serendipalm sources organic cocoa and oil palm from 2,000 farmers. They operate the world's first fair trade and organic crude palm oil mill, and we've helped them to scale up their rollout of dynamic agroforestry to build farmers' climate resilience.
Dynamic agroforestry aims to recreate the natural rainforest habitat on smallholder plots. Farmers plant alongside timber tree species with cocoa, oil palm, beans, plantain, whatever they could think about. The biodiversity reduces pest pressure and increases yield up to 2 to 3 times than monocultures. This climate-smart agriculture improves environmental impact. It helps also improve productivity with regards to what farmers plant.
Our mezzanine debt investment in Uzima, a poultry company, is helping to rapidly expand their micro-entrepreneur network in Rwanda. We are also supporting their expansion into Uganda, bringing an improved chicken variety to an even bigger rural customer base.
Across sub-Saharan Africa, there's a really large unmet demand for improved agricultural inputs, especially poultry, that can really change the lives of smallholder farmers. In partnership with AgDevCo, we've been able to really rapidly scale up the access to our product across multiple districts in Uganda. And as a result, we've been able to reach over 25,000 farmers and have been able to achieve 4x year-over-year growth.
Over the next decade, we plan to double our investment portfolio and to continue to support our investees with technical assistance. We invest to create commercially sustainable agribusinesses that help improve the livelihoods and resilience of thousands of smallholder farmers and employees. That's how we transform African agriculture to benefit both people and planet.